Welcome to my city walk tour. Today I'm taking you with me as I explore the city on foot. We are going to walk through different streets, look around the shops, enjoy the building, and see how people live and move around every day as we walk. I will show you interesting places, beautiful view, and small details that makes this city special. Alright, dear, join me in this amazing journey. We will pass by areas, quick corners, and small spots you may not see unless you are walking. I want you to feel this special way. Alright, guys, feel like enjoy the journey. Be like me. Let's walk together. Alright, guys, I want you to feel you are right here with me. Alright, think what I see. And enjoying the moment, whether it's the sound of, of cars, people talking, listening, lightning, shining, or I just know I'm taking you through along. Oh, the fresh air. Me, I'm feeling the fresh air right now. Right now, I'm feeling it. Well, we will experience it together, all together, me and you guys. Hope you get so relaxed, follow along, and let's enjoy the city step by step, step by step. Alright, from city to the village, everywhere. Let's walk together all around, all together with Fatuma Graham. Thank you so much for subscribing on this YouTube channel, and please, please, please do not forget to like and comment, share with your friends, and tell everybody to join our YouTube channel. We tour all around Dubai. We want to know what is Dubai is. So I'm taking you slowly by slowly as we walk. I will show you these areas where people are shopping, working, and moving around. And we will also pass by quitter presses. So I want you to notice that we will pass there and here around. Yes, this place is called Al Sifu. Yeah, this is street is from Al Sifu. That's what I want you to know. And I'll be back camera, so I want you to take a nice view, a good view. Like as you can see, the lightning, the color. We have colors. Look at, you can see the gold color. So nice. So it's good to walk around during night and daytime. So this is what I'm showing you. I want you to see, like, to get like motivated. You can walk around if whether you have time, whether you have what, you can walk around. So like guys, I want you to feel like you are walking beside me, hearing the sounds of the streets. I don't know, but I won't make it for you to hear the sounds of street such that it was so noisy, but I'll make it a little bit so that you can get it. Alright, guys. So come along and enjoy this walk with me. Let's explore the city slowly, discover new places, and enjoy the simple beauty of walking through. Oh, a peaceful, full of life. Alright, guys. You are seeing the colors, the lights, and the designs, and like and the everyday moments, like everyday moment that you only notice when you explore the city on foot. So I want you to feel that moment is super amazing. I hope everyone, you take time and you walk around, you do a walking tour. It's like a tour, but so you can also be like doing it exercise. So all right, guys, small smell, like special things that makes this city feel like you live. All right, the weather is so conducive and it's not sunny. It's like it's so nice. You can walk around and enjoy Dubai. You people, I think this is the right time. This is the good time for you to visit Dubai because the weather now is super, super interesting. The weather now is so nice. Everyone can enjoy. Alright, guys, let me leave you with the music, but do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and leave your comment down there and let me know whether you want me to work with you. You can say, can you go to this street? I will go there one day. So guys, enjoy the video. I love you all. Fatma Gram. I thank you all for watching my video.